Hi and welcome back. We're going to start by chaining 61. So go ahead and pause the video and I'll meet you back here once you finish your chain. To begin, complete a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Complete a single crochet in each stitch across. You will end your row with 60 stitches. To start row 2, I'm not going to chain 1, I'm just going to do a standing single crochet. So this panel of the pillow is very simple. You're just going to repeat row 2 until you have a total of 43 rows. So go ahead and pause the video here, and when you've finished row 43, you can come back and I will show you how to assemble your pillow. When I reach the end of row 43, I'm going to pull up a large loop and take my hook off my work. I'm going to make sure that my panels have the wrong sides facing each other, and then I'm going to insert my hook into this very first stitch. Then I'm going to pull up a loop and chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. To start the border of the pillow, I'm going to complete a single crochet in the same stitch as the chain 1. I will then single crochet across until I reach the corner. When I get to the corner, I'm going to put 3 single crochet into this corner stitch. So now I'm going to single crochet evenly along the rough edge of my panels. At the corner, we're going to complete 3 single crochets again and then continue to single crochet across the third edge of the panels. We are now at the next corner, and I'm going to put 3 single crochet into this stitch and then stop and stuff my pillow. So now that we've stuffed our pillow, we're going to single crochet evenly along this rough edge of the pillow. In the last corner, complete 2 single crochet and slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round. Fasten off and weave in ends. You're done! Yay!